Why doing everything yourself is killing your business and how to fix it. Are you a business owner or entrepreneur who feels like you're drowning in work? Are you constantly trying to do everything yourself, from accounting to marketing to customer service? If so, you're not alone. Many entrepreneurs make the mistake of thinking that they have to do everything themselves in order to succeed. But the truth is, doing everything yourself can actually harm your business. In this video, we'll show you why doing everything yourself is killing your business and how to fix it. We'll discuss the negative impact of trying to handle everything on your own, and provide you with tips on how to delegate tasks effectively. You'll learn about the benefits of delegating tasks, such as increased productivity and better quality work. We'll also talk about outsourcing versus hiring employees, and help you determine which option is best for your business. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of why delegating tasks is essential for growing your business, and you'll have the tools you need to start delegating effectively. So, if you're ready to take your business to the next level, watch this video until the end and start delegating today. The negative impact of doing everything yourself. The negative impact of doing everything yourself can be significant and can harm your business in several ways. Firstly, it can lead to burnout. When you're trying to do everything yourself, you're likely to be overwhelmed with tasks and responsibilities. This can lead to stress and fatigue, making it difficult for you to focus on important tasks. As a result, your productivity can suffer, and you may struggle to keep up with deadlines and responsibilities. Secondly, doing everything yourself can lead to a lack of focus. When you are trying to juggle too many tasks, it can be challenging to focus on the most important ones. As a result, you may end up neglecting essential tasks, which can harm your business's reputation and growth. Lastly, doing everything yourself can lead to poor quality work. When you're handling too many tasks, you may not have enough time or expertise to complete them to a high standard. This can result in mistakes, missed opportunities, and ultimately harm your business. For example, if you are a small business owner who is trying to handle everything on your own, you may become overwhelmed with tasks and responsibilities, leading to burnout. You may struggle to focus on important tasks such as marketing or product development, resulting in missed opportunities for growth. Additionally, if you're handling tasks outside your area of expertise, such as accounting, you may make mistakes that harm your business's finances. The benefits of delegating tasks. Delegating tasks can provide several benefits to your business. Here are some of the key advantages. 1. Increased productivity. Delegating tasks can help you save time, allowing you to focus on important tasks that require your attention. When you delegate tasks to others, you free up time to work on strategic planning, business development, or other high-priority tasks. This can lead to increased productivity and growth for your business. 2. Better quality work. When you delegate tasks to individuals with specialized skills or expertise, you're likely to receive better quality work. This is because they have the knowledge and experience required to complete the task to a high standard. By delegating tasks to the right people, you can ensure that your business delivers high-quality products or services. 3. More time to focus on important tasks. When you delegate tasks to others, you are freeing up time to focus on high-priority tasks. This can help you grow your business and achieve your long-term goals. By delegating tasks, you are also reducing your workload, which can help you avoid burnout and stay focused on your most important tasks. For example, if you are a small business owner who is struggling to keep up with social media marketing, you can delegate this task to a social media expert. By doing so, you can ensure that your business has a strong social media presence, which can lead to increased engagement and sales. Similarly, if you are a busy entrepreneur who doesn't have time to manage your bookkeeping, delegating this task to an accountant can help ensure that your business finances are in order and that you are meeting all your financial obligations. How to delegate tasks effectively. Delegating tasks effectively requires careful planning, communication, and follow-up. Here are some tips to help you delegate tasks effectively. 1. Identify tasks that can be delegated. Start by identifying tasks that can be delegated. This may include tasks that are time-consuming, outside of your area of expertise, or require specialized skills. Once you've identified these tasks, determine who on your team is best suited to complete them. 2. Choose the right person for the job. When delegating tasks, it's important to choose the right person for the job. Consider their skills, experience, and workload when deciding who to delegate tasks to. By delegating tasks to the right people, you can ensure that they're completed to a high standard. 3. Set clear expectations. When delegating tasks, it's essential to set clear expectations. This includes defining the task, the desired outcome, the deadline, and any other relevant details. Be specific about what you want to be done, and what success looks like. This will help the person you're delegating to understand what's expected of them and will help ensure that the task is completed to your satisfaction. 4. Communicate regularly. Communication is key when delegating tasks. Regularly check in with the person you've delegated tasks to, and provide any feedback or support they need. This can help ensure that the task is progressing as planned and that any issues are addressed promptly. 5. Provide feedback. After the task is completed, provide feedback to the person who completed it. This will help them understand what they did well and where they can improve. By providing constructive feedback, you can help them grow and develop their skills. By following these tips, you can delegate tasks effectively and ensure that they're completed to a high standard. Remember, effective delegation requires communication, feedback, and follow-up, so be sure to stay engaged throughout the process. Outsourcing versus hiring. When it comes to delegating tasks, business owners and entrepreneurs have two options: outsourcing or hiring employees. Each approach has its own set of pros and cons. Outsourcing can be a more cost-effective option as you only pay for the work that is completed. Additionally, outsourcing allows you to access specialized skills and expertise that may not be available in-house. It also provides flexibility, allowing you to scale up or down quickly as your business needs change. One of the main challenges of outsourcing is the lack of control you have over the work being done. External partners may not be as invested in your business as employees would be, and you may find it more difficult to manage their work. Communication can also be a challenge when working with outsourced partners, especially if they are in different time zones or speak different languages. This can lead to delays, misunderstandings, and errors in the work being done. Additionally, outsourcing can pose data security risks, particularly when you are sharing sensitive information with external partners. This can put your business's reputation and finances at risk. It's important to carefully vet and choose outsourcing partners who have a proven track record of delivering quality work and prioritizing data security. By doing so, you can minimize the risks of outsourcing and enjoy the benefits of accessing specialized skills and expertise. On the other hand, hiring employees gives you greater control over the work that is being done and allows you to build a strong, cohesive team. Employees are likely to be more invested in your business and more loyal than external partners. Hiring also enables you to build expertise in-house, which can be beneficial in the long run. Hiring employees comes with its own set of challenges, including higher costs. You have to pay for salaries, benefits, and other overhead costs, which can add up quickly. Additionally, hiring employees is less flexible than outsourcing, as you're committed to paying salaries and benefits even if business needs change. This can be a challenge if you need to scale up or down quickly based on market demands. Hiring employees can also pose HR challenges, such as recruitment, retention, and compliance. It takes time and effort to find the right employees, and once you do, you need to keep them motivated and engaged. Despite these challenges, hiring employees can be beneficial if you need in-house expertise or if you want to build a strong, cohesive team that is invested in your business's success. When deciding between outsourcing and hiring, it's important to consider the specific needs of your business. Outsourcing may be a better option for occasional work like graphic design or bookkeeping. Hiring may be more beneficial for roles that require in-house expertise, such as customer service or content creation. Ultimately, the decision to outsource or hire depends on your budget, goals, and business needs. In conclusion, doing everything yourself can negatively impact your business, leading to burnout, a lack of focus, and poor quality work. Delegating tasks can help you save time, increase productivity, and ensure better quality work. Effective delegation requires careful planning, communication, and follow-up. You may choose to outsource or hire employees, each with their own set of pros and cons. However, the decision to delegate tasks is essential for business growth and long-term success. We encourage viewers to take action and start delegating tasks to improve their business. By doing so, you can focus on important tasks, achieve better results, and avoid burnout. Remember, effective delegation requires communication, feedback, and follow-up, so be sure to stay engaged throughout the process. If you found this video informative and helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. Don't forget to like and comment on the video, and share it with your colleagues and friends who may find it useful. Your support helps us create more valuable content for our viewer. Thank you for watching.